Hey, what's going on, guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the ways to add CSS in a web page. So there are three ways to add those. So first is inline CSS. So the first I'm talking about it is you can add by giving them attribute. So here you can use like something like uh, hello. And yeah, I'm gonna do one more thing is make this atom smaller and and change the size of Chrome, and go and install a package called live server, or if it is also find that atom live server, you can check it out. It will help your programming skills. And now what we need to do is click on here, use the click on packages and start. Wait, it already start. Yeah, now go here and start atom live server. You can see, you can hear it's working like atom, it's working as a server. Now this is what is we call inline CSS. We are using a at as an attribute to HTML, which it's a global attribute. I already told it in what we call the HTML series. If you don't know, you can check those out. And here, what I'm gonna do, remove this for the second. And you can add in particularly everything. Like here, you can in the body you can use as a style attribute and write background color like that. That's totally up to you. And the second one, is internal CSS. So the first one is like attribute. The second one is about the tag. So there is a tag called style, and you can go here and use this. Now you're gonna say, Asad, how we gonna put it inside the we can use an attribute? Is it not easy? But no, when you use a large file you have this kind of problem. So to that to happen, we can use this by clicking, yeah, remove the media, that would be better. So here just type h2, and then what we're gonna do is here, and you call color. You can see it's auto typing. This is the way we can this is the why we use the atom plugin color. And yeah, this is the way we can add the atom another plugin. And you wanna red, so red. The moment you see this, just click it on it, and here you can see it's red now. Is it not awesome? So this is all about the internal CSS, but there is still a problem. In here we can specify this, but here it is so damn long. The good thing about this, from the attribute, you do not need to type again and again. Like just create another h2, and here we can type world, and it will automatically bind to this. Is it not awesome? But in the attributes we can need to type those. But still we have one problem, which is here it's become too damn long. For that to solve, we have external CSS, which is a file. So what you need to do is create a file, new file, and name it as something like style.css. Just press enter. You will create a new file for that. And if you want to just take it on from here and paste here, just that, and it's still gonna work. After saving, wait, yeah, and now you're gonna ask, hey Asad, it's not working anymore, how are we gonna do that? For that to happen, we have a link tag. Link, just press tab, and you do not need to do these things. Just change the href to the location of this style.css. So if it's on the same folder, you need to type style.css, and see, we are done here. This is the way we can add style.css, and this will help us the many properties. And the I already told about the pigment tag. This is the way it works. Because it's red, it's changed into red. If you type blue, first I need to save. Yeah, see, is it changed into blue? So this is the way it works. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. Like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.